Welcome. We have two capsule cutter today. They are new and faulty. Let's open one by one and see what we can do. Here is first one. The motor is not running. I don't know why, but it creates a bad and loud sound. So we have to open this thing. It has 3 screws and we have to open them all. 1, 2, and 3. Here is our main unit. What is the problem? Let's check it again. Press the switch. Unplug the power. What's the problem? The rotor cannot move and it's create a vibrating sound. But why? We have to open this part for examine it. We have to open these 3 screws too. Maybe inside this gearbox something is jammed. So there is a planetary gear set. What? I have to check this again in open mode. Okay, now it works. So I think the problem is we can see there is a lot of plastic piece inside this gearbox. I don't know where they came from, but we know that they are the main problem. We have to clean this gearbox, then assemble it again. Okay, we clean this thing, and because I don't have grease, so I use some petroleum jelly instead of grease. And here, as I can understand, that someone used this blender maybe for test purpose and they used a lot of, and maybe they didn't use this cover, so the liquid came through this hole. The gearbox got jammed. So let's assemble this gearbox again and see what happened. Why it's not moving? Is it jammed again? I don't know. Let's check it again. 3 screw done. Now we can see, is it work now? We have to hold this thing tightly and press the switch. No, still it's not working. I don't know what's the problem. I think the gearbox is totally damaged, so you have to change this gearbox maybe. I think I have one. Let's open this thing. No, open up, and this thing too. Where's the problem? So unassemble this gear is not that easy. So I'm going to try something different. I have this unit. This one is broken. You can see broken body, but maybe the motor and gearbox is good. Let's open and try. In this unit, the gearbox is completely okay, so we'll try to use this gearbox for our blender. What is the difference between these two gearboxes? I see there is nothing different in these two units. Hey, okay. In this unit, we can see that this gearbox is easily came out, but this one not. So we have to that. We must have to unassemble this by force piece. So now we will change the whole gearbox. We don't want this faulty gearbox with shredded plastic piece. So here is our motor that is fully okay, functional. Why it make noise? Who cares? We have to open this part to assemble it here. Okay, screw done. Then this gearbox, then the cover. 2, 3. Yes, now it works. So it's time to assemble it. Thank you, donor unit. Done. Can you understand what I have done right now? It's a big mistake and it can cause a big accident. I forgot to unplug this thing, and without any protection I assemble this thing, and there is open terminal. If I touch them, then you know what will next. So when you work with high voltage appliance, we must be careful. I am alone in my studio, no one in here to help. Okay, our blender is okay now. Perceptive philosophy. So it's okay. We fix one unit. Let's try to fix another one. There is our second unit. Let's move into it. This unit has no life. So open this thing. This one is also jammed. I don't know. Same problem. I think the same issue. So jammed gear. This gear jammed. Right. Let's see. Is our only the jammed gear, or if our motor works? Okay. Then we have this another good unit, so we can replace it. First, we have to make sure that our motor is okay. Yes, the motor is what? Motor is good. So we have to replace our planetary gear from our previous donor unit. This one has the same problem. One gear is free and two is jammed. So we have to think something. I think I have to use this to free our gear. I think for too much friction, they melt and fix with each other. You can see cannot open they fix to each other, so we can say that we cannot fix this right now. We have to buy or collect a replacement and then we can fix it. So it's a no fix for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. It helps a lot.